Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on Leonardo AI. One of the most powerful tools for creating amazing AI-generated art. Whether you're a designer, gamer, or just love digital creativity, Leonardo is the perfect platform for you. Let's get started. First, go to leonardo.ai and sign up using your Google account or email. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now click on Image Generation from the side menu. First, we will select the image model. Secondly, we will go to Prompt Enhancement. First click, then we can use Prompt Enhance in 3 ways. Then we will go to the Style box. As soon as we click here, many styles will pop up and you can create images using the style you like. Next is the Contrast box. Here we will find 3 types of contrast. Now it's time to create. In the prompt box, type what you want to see. A beautiful fashion model, standing confidently on a city rooftop at sunset, wearing a modern high-fashion outfit, long wavy hair, soft makeup, elegant pose, cinematic lighting, golden hour glow, ultra-detailed, Vogue magazine style, 4K resolution, professional studio photo look. Wow, what a beautiful picture!